In the world of fragrances, we chase the perfect scent, a balance of notes that lingers, captivates, and leaves a lasting impression. But beneath the surface of every luxurious fragrance lies a hidden secret, a mysterious key to unlocking the full potential of your favorite cologne or perfume. For centuries, one ingredient has quietly endured, standing at the crossroads of hydration and scent. Its origins are ancient, its reputation legendary. You may know it as shea butter, but its power in the world of fragrance goes far beyond simple skincare. Where did this fascination with shea begin? And how has it suddenly become the foundation of a growing trend in scent layering? From the plains of West Africa to the shelves of your local store, this unassuming ingredient has held a secret that only a select few have truly understood. Until now. Tonight we embark on a journey, one that explores the enigmatic rise of shea butter, specifically in the form of EOS Shea Better Lotion. Is it the fragrance lover's secret weapon, or just another fleeting trend? Does it elevate your scent, or interfere with its delicate complexity? The answers, my friends, are far more complicated than they seem. Stay with us as we unravel the mystery of shea butter and discover whether it truly holds the key to fragrance longevity, or if perhaps we've been led astray by the whispers of the beauty industry.
Welcome back to Masterpiece Fragrance Reviews. If you're serious about taking your scent game to the next level, well, you're in the right place. But before we get into today's discussion, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and drop your boy a comment below with your favorite go-to layering combo. Let's keep this conversation going. Man, y'all know what time it is. Let's get to smelling.
Yo, it's Rock Masterpiece. Welcome to the show where we talk colognes you already know. Step into the world where the scent is king. Fragrance reviews that'll make you sing. Luxury, boldness, it's all I do. From the top notes down to the base too. Breaking it down so you know what's real. Colognes that hit, man, you know the deal. Stay fresh, stay fly, that's what it's about. Masterpiece fragrance, now let's check it out. From the streets to the suite, we keep it tight. Fragrances that shine day or night. Hit subscribe, come along for the ride. Masterpiece fragrance, let's go world.
Today we're diving deep, no surface level reviews into something that's been heating up the fragrance community. The use of EOS Shea Butter body lotion as a layering tool to enhance your colognes and perfumes. Now, we're all used to hearing about body lotions and oils as a base, but is EOS really better than something as tried and true as Vaseline or body oils? Let's talk about it. First off, let's address the hype. Why is everyone in the fragrance community, especially in groups like cologne lovers, buzzing about EOS? It seems like this product has come out of nowhere and suddenly every scent lover has it in their collection. Why? Well, two reasons: affordability and fragrance layering. EOS Shea Butter is praised not just for moisturizing, but because it smells great and works as a foundation to extend the life of your fragrances. That combination of a lotion that's soft on the skin but also fragrance heavy gives people the idea that it's doing something different than regular lotions. But is it really? A lot of people in the groups are saying things like, it boosts my scent, or my colognes last longer with it. And that's because these lotions aren't just about scent. They claim to lock moisture into your skin for 24 hours, which is key for holding fragrances. Moisturized skin holds scents better than dry skin. The buzz is that this 24-hour moisture claim is really delivering, and that's what people are excited about. But let's take a step back and compare it to the classics. We've been hearing about Vaseline for years, especially when it comes to fragrance longevity. It's simple. You apply a thin layer of Vaseline to your pulse points, and it's like magic. Voila. Your scent lasts all day. Why is that? Well, because Vaseline is an occlusive, meaning it traps moisture into your skin. In simple terms, it creates a barrier between your skin and the air, keeping everything locked in, including fragrance. So if Vaseline does the trick, well, why is everyone switching to EOS or even considering it? Well, here's where the difference lies. Vaseline doesn't add anything to your scent profile. It's purely functional. There's no fragrance there, so it doesn't interfere with your cologne. But EOS, on the other hand, it brings its own scents into the mix. Now let's talk body oils. Oils like jojoba or almond oil have been another go-to for many people in the fragrance world. Oils like Vaseline help retain moisture and hold onto your fragrance longer because they slow down the evaporation of both water and alcohol from the skin. But here's a question. Does oil or Vaseline add dimensions to your fragrance? Well, the answer is no, it's neutral. So when you're layering, especially with something like EOS Shea Butter's pomegranate, raspberry, or vanilla cashmere, you're not just making your scent last longer, you're adding depth to it. The fruity gourmand of EOS interact with your cologne, creating a new scent profile entirely. But is that always a good thing? Let's dig deeper. Now, let's get into the science of layering. Does EOS really enhance your fragrance, or are we just overcomplicating things by adding another scent into the mix? Fragrance layering has become a trend because it allows you to customize your scent. But this customization can be tricky. EOS scented lotions like pomegranate, raspberry, they come with their own dominant notes. So if you're wearing something with similar fruity or sweet notes like Yves Saint Laurent's Black Opium or Juan Paul Ultra Male, this combo can work beautifully, creating a more intense version of that fragrance. But here's the flip side. If you're trying to layer EOS Fruity or Gourmand lotion with a more complex or darker scent, think Tom Ford's Tobacco Vanilla or Creed's Aventus, you might end up clashing or dulling the impact of the cologne. You gotta be careful when mixing scent families. So does EOS make your fragrance last longer? Absolutely, especially if you're layering correctly. But it always enhances it. Does it always enhance it? That's where the debate lies. Some say it makes their cologne richer. Others feel it complicates things unnecessarily. You've really got to know your scent combinations to pull this off. Here's where it all boils down. Is EOS Shea Butters the best choice for everyday fragrance wearers? I'd say yes, if you're sticking to casual daily colognes and perfumes. It's affordable, hydrates your skin well, and gives you a nice subtle scent base to work with. If you're rocking fresh, clean scents for work, school, or the gym, EOS is a great option. But if you're a fragrance enthusiast with high-end or niche perfumes, you might want to be more selective with when you use EOS. For those special high-impact fragrances, I'd recommend sticking with an unscented lotion or something neutral like Vaseline to avoid messing with the cologne's complexity. All right, let's wrap this up. Is EOS Shea Butters worth the hype? If you're looking for a product that moisturizes well, smells good, and can add a nice layer to your everyday fragrance, then yes, I'd say it lives up to the hype. It's affordable, and the scent blends are easy to work with if you know how to layer. But if you're more serious about your cologne collection and you've got fragrances that are complex or expensive, be careful with how you use EOS. It can either enhance or overshadow your scent, depending on what you're pairing it with. So should you pick up a bottle? Definitely, but experiment. And as always, drop a comment below and let me know what's your take. Do you think EOS is changing the game, or is it just another hype product? And remember, stay bold, stay fresh. Holla at y'all.